embryology in related to taxonomy. It is a advanced taxonomy in plants based on the embryological characters. The plants classified into groups, species, genus, and families. Here it is embryology in related to taxonomy topics are anther sac, male gametophyte, ovule, female gametophyte, fertilization, nucellus, embryo, and polyembryony. These are the topics of embryology in related to current concept taxonomy of plants. See, the following embryological parameters are usually employed in taxonomic considerations. First topic is anther. Number of microsporangia, number of archegonial or archisporial cells, type of development of anther wall, differentiation of endothecium, type of tapetum, tapetal nuclear membrane, type of cytokinesis, arrangement of microspores, tetrads, and freedom or fusion of microspores. These are the characters of anthers, external and internal. These characters also taken in the advanced classification of plants. And the second topic is male gametophyte. The male gametophytes are also called pollen grains. The pollen grain containing number, position, and characters of apertures in pollen grains based on the number, based on the position, based on the characters of pollen pore, mean apertures in pollen grain. The pollen grains are classified into types: monoporous, monotreme, ditreme, tetratreme, tritreme, pentatreme, anemotreme, hexatreme. Treme means it is the number of pollen pore. Position, that pollen pore present on the proximal portion of the pollen grain are present on the equatorial axis of the pollen grain, are present on the distal axis or distal polar region of the pollen grain. The character of pollen pore is porous or colpus or pororatus or colporator. These are the characters of the pollen pores in the pollen grains. And number of nuclei in ripe pollen. Here it is, the third point is type of ovule, number of integuments present in general, and also involved in a micropylar formation, participation of number of archisporial cells, type of nucellus, presence or absence of endothecium, and presence or absence of structures like epistase, hypostase, aril, carbuncle, abuturator. These are the parts of ovule. Type of ovule. Types of ovule means orthotrophous, Anadropas, Campylotropous, Sarcinotropous. These are the types of ovules, and the number of integuments: outer integument, middle integument, inner integuments, and the formation of these integuments of micropylar region, participation of number of archisporial cells. From the micropylar region, some cells are act as a archisporial cells. The archisporial cells participated in the division. Which number of cells are participated in the division? Types of new cells, presence or absence of endothelium, and the structures. Epistase means above the female gametophyte, one specialized nutrient tissues are present called epistase. Lower part of female gametophyte, hypostase. Around the ovule, third coat of envelope is there called aril. Carunculate, micropylar region, special tissues are present called caruncule. Abuturator present at the micropylar region. It mainly helps in receiving of pollen grains during the fertilization. These are the special features of the ovule. These are also taken in the classification, current concept of classification in the taxonomic plants. And female gametophyte, type of embryo sac, ontogeny, relative longevity of synergids, antipodals, time of fusion of polar nuclei in relation to syngamy. A type of embryo sac ontogeny. Ontogeny means it is the development of female gametophyte, development of embryo from the female gametophyte. And the next, fertilization, path of entry of pollen tube. Path of entry of pollen tube. Pollen tube entry into the ovule by the three ways. They are porogamy, chalajogamy, mesogamy. By these three ways, any one of way is involved in the fertilization or path of entry of pollen tube into the ovule. And next part is endosperm. Type of endosperm: food storage, persistent or otherwise of endosperm, presence or absence of astoria. Types of endosperms are nuclear endosperm, cellular endosperm, helobial endosperm, ruminant endosperm, alluran endosperm, mosaic endosperms. These are the types of endosperms. These endosperms are containing different types of food storage. They are permanent or temporarily of endosperms in the ovule. And presence or absence of astoria. Astoria is the long tube-like structure developed from the endosperm. It mainly helps in collecting of extra food material to supplies to developed embryo. And embryo, type of embryo: monocot embryo, dicot embryos, presence or absence of suspensor astoria. Here also suspensor astorias also present in the dicot and monocot embryos. In few plants astorias are present. They are mainly helps in collecting of extra food materials and supplies to the developed embryos after fertilization. And seed coat, number of walls layers and their differentiation. The wall layers of seeds, testa and tegmen. These are the wall layers. They are differentiated into testa and tegments. Based on these wall layers, the plants also classified into types, and special features are apomixis and polyembryony. Apomixis and polyembryony also are extra characters. They are the special feature characters in the angiosperms. These all characters are employed in taxonomic considerations in advanced plant taxonomy.